Hey y'all, this is Coasters and Travels. Let's get right to it. Starting off at Alabama Adventures and Splash Adventures, we have news that Rampage will not be opening in 2024. Rampage is a wooden roller coaster built by Custom Coasters International or CCI, with Larry Bill as the designer. Rampage has a max height of 120 feet, a max speed of 56 miles per hour, and a track length of 3,500 feet. During the A South Central Winterfest event, it was announced the ride will be closed for the entire season as the park actively seeks a partner for refurbishment. Now, it's interesting to note that there hasn't been an official announcement from the park regarding the closure, and the ride isn't listed as closed on their website. However, if you checked out RCDB, it's listed as standing but not operating. So while it's not officially confirmed, signs point to Rampage taking a break this season. Personally, I had plans to visit Alabama Splash Adventure last summer, but things fell through. I was hoping to give it another shot this year, but it looks like the coaster gods have other plans. Share in the comments if you have plans to visit Rampage this year. Next, we move to Knott's Berry Farm, where Montezooma's Revenge is in jeopardy of not reopening anytime soon. Montezooma's Revenge is a shuttle roller coaster designed by Anton Schwarzkopf. Opening in 1978, it was one of the few operating coasters that uses a flywheel launch system. Montezooma's Revenge has a max height of 148 feet, a max speed of 55 miles per hour, and a track length of 800 feet. The ride was supposed to get a complete refurbishment, including new trains and a feature where you randomly start forwards or backwards. It was to reopen in 2023 as Montezooma, the Forbidden Fortress. The last official word we received from the park was back in mid-2023. Montezooma, the Forbidden Fortress, will not open with Fiesta Village summer of 2023. An opening date has not been scheduled at this time. Adding to the mystery, Montezooma's Revenge has vanished from the new Knott's Berry Farm app. Does this hint at the ride's uncertain future? It's a question many are asking. Here's my take. I'm leaning towards this closure being temporary. There had to be some type of fallout with the vendor that was supposed to refurbish the ride, and now Knott's is looking elsewhere. Call me an optimist, but I believe we'll hear something from Knott's Berry Farm later this year. Could it be news of a grand 2025 reopening? Well, that's wishful thinking, but time will be the ultimate storyteller. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to Coasters and Travels. Your support goes a long way. Finally, we head to Pennsylvania to talk about Leap the Dips. Leap the Dips is a side friction roller coaster constructed by the Federal Construction Company, designed by Edward Joy Morris. Leap the Dips has a max height of 41 feet, a length of 1,452 feet, with dips that max out at 9 feet. This early coaster design introduced side friction wheels that prevented trains from derailing during curved parts of the track. This design was the predecessor to modern coaster design that uses a third set of under friction wheels many roller coasters use today. This coaster was opened in 1902, making this the oldest standing roller coaster in the world. In 1996, it was designated a National Historic Landmark. Unfortunately, it looks like the park has seen better days. Due to financial hardships, Lakemont Park will downgrade from a full-fledged amusement park to a recreational park with mini golf, batting cages, and other sport-related activities. That means all of their amusement rides and their two bigger coasters, Skyliner and the 122-year-old Leap the Dips, would not open for the 2024 season. This decision was due to declining attendance, increased costs of two wooden roller coasters and rides, and other financial challenges. According to Lakemont Partnership President Andrea Cohen, they hope to reverse this by attracting more people to their recreational facilities. There's no official word yet on the fate of Leap the Dips, although according to a local article on Altoona Mirror, the partnership has a lease with the county that obligates them to maintain and protect Leap the Dips, a National Historic Landmark. The county has a right of first refusal for certain rides, including Leap the Dips. This means they have the opportunity to step in before any decision to sell is finalized. While discussions are currently ongoing, I'll make sure to keep you updated on the fate of Leap the Dips and the park itself.